What's up, guys? My name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today we are wrapping a Camaro, and I don't know how you guys are gonna feel about it, so I'm gonna go show you the color and what the Camaro looks like now. So, day 2. Look at that. That was good. DJ, why are you impressed?
Which side was the one with the curl was supposed to be the one with the water, right?
Well, here's the Camaro. So I actually am working with TinyBot. So this is vinyl wrap from TinyBot. I believe they're linked down below. But I'm going to show you the Camaro. So we actually decided to wrap part of the fenders. I think it blends in a lot better than just the fenders. I knew I was going to do this, that's why I didn't do it with the blue, and because I was going to change the color anyway, so I just waited it out. And I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but also with like the carbon fiber fenders, it makes it wider, so I gotta show you. So right here is wider, so that I was rubbing pretty bad, so having those definitely helps me out. But yeah, I am gonna get some spacers to put my wheels out a little bit more, because I do have a little bit of a wheel gap, not even up here, like it's to the side. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna probably put some clips in when I'm with it tomorrow, because we're gonna get it in the daylight. Yeah, I'm obsessed, to say the least. Literally obsessed. I will have tons and tons of pictures with it on Instagram, so if you're interested, go check out my Instagram, Reckless.Raquel, on literally everything. If it's not Reckless.Raquel, it might be fake. So watch out for that. But Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, yeah. So I guess thank you guys for watching. That is she, and I'm so excited. But I will see you guys in my next video. So yeah, bye. So for real this time, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I will have tons and tons of pictures and videos coming of the wrap. The wrap is different colors and different lighting. So at nighttime, it kind of looks like it's pink, then like a dark purple, then a light purple. So it's very hard to like get it on video, but I freaking love it. So yeah. So again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. Here, everything is Reckless.Raquel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!